Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AWS SNS subscriptions confirmation and policies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify AWS SNS subscriptions confirmation, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SNS dashboard from the Services menu. In the left sidebar, click on Subscriptions. You will see a list of your current subscriptions. Locate the subscription you want to verify. Verify if the subscription status is pending confirmation. If the status is pending, check your email for a confirmation message from Amazon SNS. Open the email and look for the confirmation link provided in the message. Click the confirmation link to complete the subscription process. Return to your AWS Management Console and refresh the subscriptions page. Confirm that the status has changed to confirmed. Next, you'll want to review the policies associated with your SNS topic. In the left sidebar, click on Topics. Select the topic linked to your subscription. Scroll down to the Access Policies section. Review the JSON policy for your SNS topic. Ensure that it permits the actions you require for your application. Look for permissions related to the actions such as SNS publish. Modify these permissions as needed to tighten or broaden access. Be cautious to not inadvertently restrict necessary access. Once adjustments are made, click Save Changes. Your AWS SNS subscription confirmation and policies are now verified. You can start using your SNS services fully configured and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.